Embarking on a bus journey offers a unique blend of fascination and excitement. Last summer, I was granted the opportunity to embark on such an adventure, accompanied by two of my closest friends. This experience proved to be a delightful and enduring memory. One of my dear companions graciously invited us to his residence in Barishal, an invitation that my two friends and I readily accepted. On the designated day, we arrived at the station and promptly secured 3 tickets for our passage to Barishal. Seated side by side, we commenced our journey precisely at 11 a.m. The bus surged forward with impressive speed, whisking us through the landscape en route to our destination. The assortment of passengers on board engaged in diverse activities, lively discussions, perusing newspapers, or surrendering to tranquil slumber. Meanwhile, the passing scenery outside showcased a vivid tapestry of nature, from sprawling paddy fields to clusters of trees and charming houses that lined the roadside. The activities of people, including cattle herders tending to their livestock, added an element of rural charm. After approximately 3 hours, the bus made a brief stop of 10 minutes, affording us the chance to partake in a quick lunch at a nearby restaurant. As the interval concluded, we resumed our places on board, and the journey continued at a brisk pace. Amidst the rhythmic motion, a momentary drowsiness overcame me, yet a gentle nudge from my friends swiftly brought me back to attentiveness. In no time, we reached our destination. Stepping off the bus, a sense of gratification washed over me, encapsulating the joy of exploration, camaraderie with friends, and the thrill of discovery. This journey etched a vivid memory within me, capturing the allure of diverse landscapes, the warmth of companionship, and the fulfillment that accompanies venturing into the unknown. It serves as a poignant reminder that life's journeys, both literal and metaphorical, often hold the power to enrich our lives with experiences that linger in our hearts.